So good morning, welcome to Sakla Vidya YouTube channel. Good morning all. Good morning Bharat. Good morning Swarupini. Good morning Kishore. Welcome you all. Lakshmi, good morning. How are you Lakshmi? Right. So what is the last question we have discussed? Last question we have discussed. Right. I think 23rd question. Am I correct? Let us discuss 24th problem onwards. So Sri Charan, 24th question. 24th. Show that 1 plus tan square A 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A equals to 1 minus tan A upon 1 minus cot A whole square equals to tan square A. This is the problem. Okay, have you noted the question? Show that 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A equals to 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A whole square equals to tan square A. So what shall we do now? What's our strategy? So first plan. So now take this, consider this 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A. So in this, substitute cot A is equal to 1 upon tan A. After simplification, you get this one. This is the first step. Second step, take this 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A whole square. Here again substitute cot A equals to 1 by tan A and get simplify. You get tan square A. From one end, so we can say that 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A equal to 1 minus tan A by 1 plus cot A whole square equal to, so we can say tan square. So let us implement this plan to solve this question. Okay. Right. Let us solve it now. Aishwarya. Solution. See, consider 1 plus tan square A upon 1 plus cot square A. Keep numerator as it is, only change in the denominator. That means in the place of cot A, 1 upon tan A write down and get simplify. So we'll get the desired value tan square A. So let us see what do we get now. Equals to 1 plus tan square A, for our convenience by 1 write down. So 1 plus cot square A. Cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. Cot square A is 1 upon tan square A, you can write. So equals to 1 plus tan square A upon 1. Here LCM is tan square A. So tan square A into 1 tan square A plus 1. So this we can write 1 plus tan square A upon 1 multiplied by reciprocal of the denominator. That is tan square A upon tan square A plus 1 or 1 plus tan square A. Both are same. So now this 1 plus tan square a, 1 plus tan square a gets cancelled. We have tan square a by 1 equals to tan square a. I already told you, if you put cot a is equal to 1 by tan a, after prior simplification, you will get tan square a. So that means 1 plus tan square a by 1 plus cot square a, we proved tan square a. So now we need to prove this one equals to this one. That means we need to consider 1 minus tan a by 1 plus cot a whole square, and then again cot a is equal to 1 by tan a need to be replaced. So now again consider 1 minus tan a upon 1 minus cot a whole square. So now the same method need to be adopted here. So cot a equals to 1 upon tan a we can write. Okay. Now this equals to, we can write 1 minus tan a upon 1 write down. So now 1 minus cot a is equal to 1 upon tan a whole square write down, because whole square is there. So now we need to simplify 1 minus tan a upon 1 divided by, so 1 minus 1 upon tan a LCM, you have tan a minus 1 whole square you will be getting. This we can write 1 minus tan a minus 1 multiplied by reciprocal of tan a minus 1 by tan a. Tan a upon tan a minus 1. Tan a minus 1 means take minus common, 1 minus tan a whole square right up. Here we observe that this 1 minus tan a gets cancelled here, 1 1. So now this will be, so tan a by negative 1 you will be getting, tan a by minus 1 into 1 minus 1 whole square. This can be written minus tan a whole square. So if you square minus tan a whole square, minus square is positive, so tan square a. Say equation 2. So from 1 and 2, what do you observe? That observation we need to write it. So from equations 1 and 2, we have 1 plus tan square a by 1 plus cot square a equals to 1 minus tan a by 1 minus cot a whole square equals to tan square a. Hence proved. That's all. Haribabu Nalla. Good morning. Good morning. Now the 25th question. 25th question. So let us move to the 25th question now. Show that cosec a minus sin a multiplied by sec a minus cos a equals to 1 upon tan a plus cot a. 1 upon tan a plus cot a. Good morning, RK. Very good morning, RK. So all of you watch till the end of the session. You need to stay. Okay. Here the procedure, actually my plan is like this. I would like to do. First consider left hand side LHS. Next put cosecant A equals to 1 upon sin A, sec A is equal to 1 upon cos A, and simplify. LHS you will get it. Now next consider RHS. Change tan A in terms of sin and cos. Cot A also in terms of sin and cos. Thank you. So now we need to prove that LHS is equal to RHS. So this plan need to be implemented. Okay, let us implement this plan now. Right now. So solution. Consider left hand side. So cosecant A minus sin A. So multiplied by inter-second year live the evening. Secant A minus cos A. So instead of cosecant A, 1 upon sin A write down. This is minus sin A. So sec A we can write 1 upon cos A. So minus cos A. So now we have sin A is the LCM. Sin A cancel 1. Sin A into sin A sin square A. That means we get 1 minus sin square A. So in the similar manner, here what do you get now here? Cos A is the LCM. We get 1 cos A into cos A cos square A. 1 minus cos square A. So now we need to recall the two formulae here. Very important formulae need to be recalled. So please remember. So 1 minus sin square A equals to cos square A. Okay. 1 minus cos square A you can expect. That means bring cos square A this side minus sin square A that side. That will be sin square A. Evening 4:30. So now this can be written as 1 minus sin square A is cos square A upon sin A multiplied by 1 minus cos square A replaced by sin square A. But in the denominator we have cos A right now. Cos square A by cos A means 1 cos A will be gets cancelled. Sin square A by sin A sin A. So this equals to sin A cos A, we shall get it. Don't worry. This is left hand side. Say equation 1. Say equation 1. Now take RHS part. Consider RHS part. This RHS also we need to prove sin A cos A. Then we say that LHS is equal to RHS. Hence it is proved. So now, consider RHS part. What is RHS part? 1 upon tan A plus cot A. So now, recall tan A equals to sin A upon cos A. Cot A equals to cos A upon sin A. Let us substitute these values and get it simplified. I told you already, evening 4:30. Okay, this equals to 1 upon sin A upon cos A plus cos A upon sin A. Let me complete the problem. So now what do you get now here? This equals to 1 upon here sin A cos A is the LCM. Yes. Cos A cancel. Sin A into sin A sin square A plus sin A cancel. Cos A into cos A cos square A. Here we have one interesting formula. Sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1. Sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1. So instead of sin square A plus cos square A, we can replace 1. So this equals to 1 upon sin A cos A. So this equals to reciprocal, you can write it. That is sin A cos A, you will be getting. Say equation 2. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Hence, proved. 25th question this is. Now the 26th question. 26th question. If x is equal to a sin theta, y equals to b cos theta. X is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to b sin theta. Then prove that x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equals to 1. This is the question. Right. So now x is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to b sin theta. Then prove that x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. So this is called actually eliminating theta from these two equations. These two equations are called parametric equations. From these two equations, we need to eliminate theta. If we eliminate theta, we get the eliminant. This eliminant we need to find out. So now let us solve it now. Solution. See, given x is equal to a cos theta. From this, find cos theta value. What is the value of cos theta? X upon a. So now, given y is equal to b sin theta, find sin theta value. What is the value of sin theta? Y upon b. So now we need to eliminate theta from these two equations. Say equation 1 and equation 2. So we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So replace cos theta is equal to x by a here. X upon a whole square plus y upon b whole square equals to 1. So simplify, you will get the answer. See, therefore x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Hence, proved. This is 26th. Now the 27th question. If x is equal to a sec theta, y is equal to b tan theta, then prove that x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equals to 1. Can you prove it? Swarupa Rani, welcome. Amit Bhai, welcome. Okay, can you solve this problem? Okay. So what is the plan means? Here plan, we need to implement the plan like this. So let me explain the plan. First step, write sec theta value. Sec theta is equal to x upon a. Second, you find out tan theta value. Tan theta is equal to y upon b. Just search for the relation between sec theta and tan theta. That relation we have secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. This is important identity. In the place of sec theta, x by a substitute. In the place of tan theta, y by b substitute. You will get the answer. This is the plan of action. Okay, let us apply. Given. For given data also, marks will be awarded in the board examination. X is equal to a sec theta. So sec theta equals to x upon a. Okay. So y equals to b tan theta. So tan theta equals to y upon b. So just make use of this formula. We know that secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. Substituting x upon a whole square minus y upon b whole square equals to 1. So therefore we get x square by a square minus y square by b square equals to 1. Hence proved. That's all. Twenty-eighth problem. If x is equal to a cosec theta, y is equal to b cot theta, then prove that x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equals to 1. Can you solve it? So what is the strategy? Problem solving strategy. Let me explain. Anybody? Very good, Nana. Rajesh Gaud, good idea. Very good. So this is the plan. So I will sketch the plan. First cosec theta write down. Cosec theta is equal to x upon a. Next cot theta write down. Y upon b. Yes, make use of cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. That's all. The problem will be solved. First, second, third, fourth simplification. Simplify. Yes. Now the solution. Given x is equal to a cosec theta. So cosec theta equals to x upon a. Y equals to b cot theta. So cot theta equals to y upon b. Now what shall we do? Yes, Rajesh, you are correct. We know that cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. In the place of cosec theta, we write x upon a whole square minus in the place of cot theta y upon b, but cot square theta is there, y upon b whole square equals to 1. So this we can write like this. Therefore, x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equals to 1. Hence, proved. So now the 29th problem. 29th problem. If x is equal to a cos cube theta, y equals to a sin cube theta, then prove that x to the power of 2 by 3 plus y to the power of 2 by 3 equals to a to the power of 2 by 3. Can you prove it? Can you prove it? Can you prove it? Can you prove it? Okay. See, I'll give the plan, just implement it. So what is the plan means? First cos cube theta find. Cos cube theta equals to x upon a. But if with the help of cos cube theta, we cannot find. So cos theta find. What is cos theta? X upon a whole to the power of 1 by 3. Enough. Cos theta value is known. In the similar process, here sin cube theta write down first. Sin cube theta is equal to y upon a. Now find sin theta. Sin theta is equal to y upon a whole to the power of 1 by 3. Now make use of the formula cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to 1 and get simplify. So these three steps are to be kept in our mind. So now let us implement it. Let us solve it now. Solution: given x equals to a cos cube theta. So now the cos cube theta equals to x upon a. So cos theta is equal to, we can write x upon a whole to the power of 1 by 3. This is very important step. Equation 1 say. Now y equals to a sin cube theta. That implies sin cube theta equals to y upon a. Now the sin theta equals to, we can write y upon a whole to the power of 1 by 3. This is equation 2. So now we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to 1. So now from the previous page, the cos theta equals to x upon a whole to the power of 2 by 3. Am I correct? And sin theta equals to y upon a whole to the power of 2 by 3. Sorry, 1 by 3. This is also 1 by 3. So let us replace it. If you replace cos theta equals to x upon a whole to the power of 1 by 3, sin theta equals to y upon a whole to the power of 1 by 3. This we can write x by a whole to the power of 1 upon 3 whole square plus y upon a whole to the power of 1 by 3 whole square equals to 1. So in 8th class we have studied one formula, a to the power of m whole to the power of n, m into n, a to the power of mn you can write. So that means 2 into 1 by 3. This becomes x by a whole to the power of 2 by 3 plus y by a whole to the power of 2 by 3 equals to 1. Even 8th class we have studied one more formula. A by b whole to the power of n is there. This power is meant for numerator and denominator. This a to the power of n by b to the power of n. So this can be written like this now. X upon x to the power of 2 by 3 upon a to the power of 2 by 3 plus y to the power of 2 by 3 upon a to the power of 2 by 3 equals to 1. Now a to the power of 2 by 3 is the LCM. Is x to the power of 2 by 3 plus y to the power of 2 by 3 equals to 1. So therefore we get x to the power of 2 by 3 plus y to the power of 2 by 3 equals to a to the power of 2 by 3. Hence proved. Yes. Lakshmi, are you there? Stravani, are you there? Yes or no? You need to chat. So 30th question. 30th. If x is equal to a cos theta to the power of 4, y equals to a sin theta to the power of 4, then prove that root x plus root y is equal to root a. Can you prove? Rajesh is there. Very good, Rajesh. Good morning, Manoj. So can you solve this question? How many of you can solve this problem? Just chat in the chat box, yes or no. So very good. So Rajesh can do. So same plan. See the solution. Here given x is equal to a cos theta to the power of 4. Now cos theta to the power of 4 equals to x upon a. Now take square root on both sides. In this case, square root of cos theta to the power of 4 equal to square root of x upon a. See, for example, square root of a to the power of 4 is there, you get a square. So here we get cos square theta equals to root of x by a, we can write root x upon root a. Say equation 1. So now y equals to a sin theta power 4. Now the sin theta power 4 equals to y upon a. Take square root. Square root of sin theta power 4 equals to root of y upon a. This will be sin square theta equals to root y upon root a. This is equation 2. Yes, Pandarinadu. So now adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. We get so cos square theta plus sin square theta equals to 1. So that means root x upon root a plus root y upon root a equals to 1. Root a is the LCM. Root a cancel, root x. Root a cancel here. Root y equals to 1. By cross multiplication we get root x plus root y equals to root a. Hence it is proved. It's very interesting problems these are. So 31st problem. If sec theta plus tan theta equals to x and sec theta minus tan theta is equal to y, then prove that xy equals to 1. X into y is equal to 1. It's very simple. Just multiply these two, x into y. Sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta. You get secant square theta minus tan square theta. That is 1. That's all. Very simple method. Only one step. Just multiply these two values. Sec theta plus tan theta and sec theta minus tan theta. That is xy. So a plus b into a minus b formula, a square minus b square, so that you will get the answer. First given x equals to sec theta plus tan theta, y equals to sec theta minus tan theta. So now xy sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta. A plus b into a minus b. So a square sec theta whole square minus tan theta whole square. You get secant square theta minus tan square theta, which is equals to 1. Therefore, hence proved. So check the method. 32nd problem. If x is equal to cosec theta plus cot theta and y equals to cosec theta minus cot theta. Then prove that xy is equal to 1. Can you solve this problem? How many of you can solve this problem? Yes or no? You need to chat. Yes or no? So today we are going to complete this chapter. So tomorrow we are switch over to the next chapter, new chapter. Okay. So yesterday I discussed Puranam Prabhas. So today I will discuss. Okay. Solution is given x equals to cosec theta plus cot theta and y equals to cosec theta minus cot theta. Just multiply these two. Multiply these two. You will get the answer. That's all. So now xy cosec theta plus cot theta multiplied by cosec theta minus cot theta. A plus b into a minus b. So we get cosec theta plus cosec theta whole square minus cot theta whole square. You get cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. Cosecant square theta minus cos square theta is 1. Hence, proved. Right. Third problem. If cos theta plus sin theta equals to P and sec theta plus cosec theta equal to Q. Prove that Q into P square minus 1 equals to 2P. This is very important problem. My dear children, you might be actually observing that I have been discussing other than textbook problems, non-textual problems besides textbook problems. Because in the final examination, you may not get the direct questions from your textbook. That's why I have been discussing even different problems also. If you practice different problems, you will get good marks in the examination. Right. Solution given cos theta plus sin theta equals to P, say equation 1, and sec theta plus cosec theta equals to Q. Set this is 2, equation 2. So now we need to prove that q multiplied by p square minus 1 is equal to 2p. So take the left hand side. Q multiplied by p square minus 1. Let us substitute. So q means sec theta plus cosec theta so multiplied with p square. P square means cos theta plus sin theta whole square. So minus 1. So let us simplify. What do you get? Let us see now. So you keep sec theta plus cosec theta as it is. So now this is a plus b whole square. This we can write a square cos square theta plus 2ab. 2 cos theta into sin theta plus b square. B square means sin square theta and minus 1. Here very interesting thing is that this cos square theta plus sin square theta, we get 1 cos square theta plus sin square theta. So now we get this one is equal to like this, sec theta plus cosec theta into this is cos square theta plus sin square theta 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1. This plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. We have 2 sin theta cos theta multiplied by sec theta plus cosec theta, we'll get it. Okay. Next step. This we can write 2 sin theta cos theta multiplied by what we have sec theta. Sec theta can be written 1 by cos theta. Cosec theta we can write 1 by sin theta. Open the bracket. Open the bracket means multiply each term with this sin theta cos theta. So we get like this. What do you get now? 2 times sin theta cos theta multiplied by 1 upon cos theta plus sin theta cos theta multiplied with 1 upon sin theta. See what happens now here. Cos theta gets cancelled. Sin theta gets cancelled. We have 2 times sin theta plus cos theta. So what does sin theta plus cos theta stand for as for the given data? Just see, sin theta plus cos theta is nothing but P. So that means since cos theta plus sin theta or sin theta plus cos theta is P. So this is replaced by P. So now we get this equals to 2P. This is RHS. Okay, hence proved. Column Amini. So which chapter do you want? So your interested topic. What's your interested topic? Thirty-fourth. If x sin cube theta plus y cos cube theta equals to sin theta into cos theta and x sin theta equals to y cos theta, then prove that x square plus y square equals to 1. So you will not find such questions in your textbook, Nana. My dear children, please remember. So these type of questions will not find in our textbooks, Andhra Pradesh or Telangana. But these questions may be asked for even different competitive entrance examinations, as well as for even might be even for final examination also sometimes. So how could you solve? Can you give an idea? Can you give any idea? My idea is that actually here, so I would like to split x sine cube theta as x sine theta into sine square theta. Instead of this x sine theta, I substitute y cos theta. So very good, very good, very good. So x sine theta, instead of x sine theta, y cos theta. So we can take out cos theta common, then you are going to get x value. From after getting x value, y value also we can find out. So by eliminating theta from those two equations, we get x square plus y square is equal to 1. Okay, let us proceed now. Solution is given x sine cube theta plus y cos cube theta equals to sine theta into cos theta. Say equation 1. And x sine theta equals to y cos theta. Say equation 2. Now from 1, so this we can write x sine theta multiplied by sine theta right up, or sine square theta right up, plus y cos cube theta equal to sine theta cos theta. So let us implement our plan. X sine theta is replaced by y cos theta here. So y cos theta into sine square theta plus y cos cube theta equals to sine theta cos theta. Now y cos theta we can take out common. If we take y cos theta common, we have sine square theta plus here cos square theta equals to sine theta cos theta. It's very interesting. This is 1 sine square theta plus cos square theta. So this equals to y cos theta into 1 equals to cos theta sine theta. This cos theta gets cancelled. Y equals to sine theta. So now from equation 2, we have, so what equation 2 we have, that is x sine theta is equal to y cos theta. Here put y is equal to sine theta. So now what do you get now here? X sine theta equals to sine theta into cos theta. See, very interesting. Sine theta gets cancelled. We get x is equal to cos theta. So that means now we know x is equal to cos theta and y is equal to sine theta. So we have cos square theta plus sine square theta equals to 1. Or we, so that implies x square plus y square equals to 1. Hence proved. That's all. Thirty-fifth problem. Thank you, Amini. 35th problem. If sin theta plus sin square theta equals to 1, then prove that cos square theta plus cos theta power 4 equals to 1. This is also very important for all entrance examination, even JEE mains also, Eamcet also. It's very important problem, most important problem. So now the plan, very simple plan you see. So what is the plan means? Take this sin square theta this side. So we get sin theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta, because this is given. So now this 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. This is the first step. Second step, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides means you get sin square theta is equal to cos theta power 4. Again this sin square theta is equal to, we can write 1 minus cos square theta equal to cos theta power 4. Take minus cos square theta that side. So therefore we get a cos square theta plus cos theta power 4 equal to 1. Yes, it has proved. It's very simple. Just implement this plan on your own notebook. You will get the idea. See the solution. Given sin theta plus sin square theta equals to 1. Transpose sin square theta, that's right hand side. So we get sin theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta. Okay, sin theta equals to, we get cos square theta. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. So I am elaborating my idea, that's all. That means sin theta whole square equals to cos square theta whole square. So now we get sin square theta equals to cos theta power 4. This sin square theta is equal to, we can write 1 minus cos square theta equals to cos theta power 4. Or this can be rewritten as cos theta power 4 equals to 1 minus cos square theta. So now transpose this minus cos square theta this side. So now what do you get now here? So therefore cos theta power 4 plus cos square theta equals to 1. Hence it's proved. That's all answer. So 36th question. 36th question. 36th question. If cos alpha by cos beta equals to m and cos alpha by sin beta equals to n. Show that m square plus n square multiplied by cos square beta equals to n square. This is very important problem. This was the previous question. It was appeared in the 10th class examination. So my plan is actually just substituting m value and n value itself only and get simplified. That's all. Okay, now solution right now. Here given cos alpha by cos beta equals to m and cos alpha by sin beta equals to n. This is the given data. Now left hand side, that is m square plus n square of cos square beta. So m square, m means cos alpha, means you get cos square alpha by cos square beta plus n square, cos square alpha by sin square beta multiplied by cos square beta. So am I correct now? This step all of you follow? So you might have followed this step now. You might have observed this step. Cos square alpha by cos square beta plus cos square alpha by sin square beta times cos square beta. See, now we have LCM. What is the LCM we get now here? Cos square beta and sin square beta. So you get now cos square alpha sin square beta, cos square alpha sin square beta plus, go back, cos square alpha sin square beta. Now the cos square alpha cos square beta. Cos square alpha cos square beta multiplied by, what do we have here? Cos square beta. So that was actually in February, Nana, not January. Hari Babu. Cos square beta gets cancelled. So now from this you can take out this cos square alpha common. So if you take cos square alpha common, now what do you get? Sin square beta plus cos square beta. Upon sin square beta. So here we have sin square beta plus cos square beta equals to 1, because sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So we get cos square alpha into 1 upon sin square beta. So we get cos square alpha by sin square beta. This is cos alpha by sin beta whole square. Just go back to the question now. What is the question? Cos alpha by sin beta is n. So this is n square. This is RHS. hence it is fruit. Okay, my dear children, so once again few questions are there, leftover are there. Tomorrow I shall discuss the remaining questions and we shall conclude this session. Okay, thank you, bye bye, see you.